Ooh, Brandon, what's going on today? Are we learning our colors? There's green. Can you say green? That's close. What about blue? Blue. Blue?
Isn't like blue. How about red?
Yeah. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Are we almost done with our colors today? What else do you have to say? Wow. Hi. Say hi, world. Say hi, world. You are a little monkey? Doo 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 doo. Oh. Boop. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No, are you just gonna lay there? Okay. Bye.